Welcome dear students. We are dealing with the numerical based on relative lowering of vapor pressure. The numerical based on relative lowering of vapor pressure. Suppose if a question goes at 27 degrees centigrade, vapor pressure of pure benzene is 640 mm. A solution is prepared by dissolving 3 grams of non-volatile solute in 39 grams of benzene, exhibit vapor pressure of 580 mm at the same temperature. Find out molecular weight of this unknown solute. Find out. So let's deal with the solution. As per relative lowering of vapor pressure, the formula is the molecular weight of unknown solute is equal to P0A upon P0A minus PA, which is termed as the relative lowering, into WB upon WA into MA. This is the formula on the basis of which we can calculate the molecular weight of any unknown solute. We can calculate molecular weight of any unknown solute. Now in this equation we have been given P0A, the vapor pressure of pure solvent. The vapor pressure of pure solvent is 640 mm. The vapor pressure of solution is 580 mm as given. The weight of the solute taken is 3 grams. This solute is unknown. Weight of solute taken is 3 grams. Weight of solvent, which is benzene, is 39 grams. And molecular weight of benzene, as we know, is 78 AMU. This is the molecular weight of benzene. Molecular weight of benzene. So we have been given the vapor pressure of pure solvent, vapor pressure of solution, weight of solute taken, the weight of solvent taken, and molecular weight of the solvent is known. Therefore, in order to calculate the MB is equal to vapor pressure of pure solvent, which is 640 as given, upon 640, which is vapor pressure of pure solution minus pure solvent, minus the vapor pressure of solution. 640 is vapor pressure of pure solvent, 580 is vapor pressure of solution. So 640 upon 640 minus 580, this together is termed as the relative lowering, into weight of solute as given 3 upon the weight of solvent as given is 39, molecular weight of solvent is 78. This get cancelled out, so it comes to be 640 upon 60 into 3 into 2, and the total value comes to be 64 AMU or grams per mole. So the molecular weight of unknown solute we have calculated. Molecular weight of unknown solute is 64 AMU or grams per mole. So this is how, on the basis of relative lowering of vapor pressure, we can calculate the molecular weight of any unknown solute. So relative lowering of vapor pressure is a colligative property. Using colligative property, we can calculate molecular weight of unknown solute. Now if we deal with one more numerical based on relative lowering of vapor pressure, question goes, vapor pressure of pure water is 31.5 mm at 300 Kelvin. A solution is prepared by dissolving 3 grams of unknown solute in 54 grams of water, exhibit vapor pressure of 31.2 mm at the same temperature. Calculate the molecular weight of solute. So how this question could be solved? How we can solve this question? So if we begin with the solution for this problem, now the formula for calculation of molecular weight as per relative lowering of vapor pressure, the formula is molecular weight of unknown solute is equal to P0A upon P0A minus PA into WB upon WA into MA. So using this formula, we can calculate the molecular weight of unknown solute. So in the question we have been given, the vapor pressure of pure solvent P0A, which is 31.5 mm. We have been given the vapor pressure of solution PA, which is 31.2 mm. Weight of solute taken is 3 grams as given in the question. weight of the solvent as given in the question is 54 grams and molecular weight of water we know is 18. So P0A is given, PA is given, WB is given, WA is given, and MA is molecular weight of water that is known to us. Now if we substitute these values in the above equation, we will get the molecular weight of unknown solute. So substituting the value in the equation, so it would be MB is equal to vapor pressure of pure solvent is 31.5 mm upon vapor pressure of pure solvent 31.5 minus vapor pressure of solution 31.2. So this is 31.5 upon 31.5 minus 31.2 into weight of solute 3 grams, weight of solvent 54, molecular weight of solvent is 18. So it get cancelled out, 18 into 354 get cancelled out. So it becomes 31.5 upon the difference is 0.3, 31.5 divided by 0.3 gives you the value of MB, which is 105 AMU or grams per mole. So this is how we have calculated the molecular weight of unknown solute. So I have dealt with two numerical using which we can understand how we can utilize the relative lowering of vapor pressure to calculate the molecular weight of unknown solute. So the molecular weight of unknown solute can be calculated using the formula based on relative lowering of vapor pressure.